Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Scarfe and today I'm going to show you guys a very easy and simple vegan breakfast that I made. Stick around till the end. I'm going to show you guys the macros for this. I was craving something sweet when I woke up and I didn't know what to make, so I figured why not throw something random together, share it with you guys, and also track the macros on it to see how much nutrition I can get from, doing something random, easy, and simple. So I started with the base right here, which are these amazing sprouted cinnamon raisin bagels. And that's when I realized I'm gonna make a bagel with peanut butter, bananas, raisins, and hemp seeds. So I chopped up the banana, spread some peanut butter all over the toast, and began building this simple but delicious breakfast. Here's what the final product looks like, and the picture on my Instagram is much better. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, that's where you guys can see daily content from me. I'll put the Instagram handle down below so you guys can give that a follow. So let's get right into the macros. The bagel contains 200 calories and 7 grams of protein. The peanut butter contains 180 calories and 8 grams of protein. And one medium-sized banana contains about 100 calories exactly. 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds contains 55 calories. I did add the strawberries in there. It was only like 5 small strawberries, so it's about 10-15 calories at that. And then the raisins are about 30 calories for 1 tablespoon. So in total, this meal contains 600 calories, 20 grams of protein, 84 grams of carbs, 22 grams of fat, and 11 grams of fiber. So for the people out there who are saying being vegan is hard or it's hard to think of vegan meals, I just showed you guys how to make a very healthy vegan meal that is also delicious and super simple to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!